What is it?
It's kind of gritty.
I think this is one of the cooler things we've ever had around the shop. Last time I looked in here, which we had water just coming straight through that.
2 spots. There's another one back here in the bathroom.
Ooh. Oh gosh. Yeah, floor, look at that. I guess the bed would have been up here.
Yeah.
Look there. Toilet. All this stuff's gonna have to be rebuilt though. But, need to figure if this thing will run. Let's go ahead and get this hood out of the way. Spark plugs out. Ugh, not good at all. Maybe all of them won't be that way. Yours looks pretty bad too, don't it? See what it looks like down in those cylinders.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Man, that one is bad rusty. I figure we'll just try to do it with the starter.
Right.
Nope. Ain't a drop of water, or I may have to take this hose loose here. I don't know. There we go. Man, that's bad.
Yeah, because that flywheel's probably going to be right in this area right here, so.
I think we just drain the oil and... Golly. I don't know if that's vinegar or water. I kind of expected that. Here we go. Ugh. We picked the good ones. Solid.
Yeah.
Man, it looks bad in them heads. There it goes. Pretty bad. Pretty stinking bad. This is not the worst we've seen, but it's up there. Oh, there it goes.
Just needed me out of the way.
Is that expandable foam? Oh my gosh. That literally looks like expandable foam.
Yeah.
These cylinders and pistons just look absolutely terrible up underneath here. This engine's gonna have to be pulled out, but with that being said, if we're gonna have to pull this thing out, we're gonna put something back in it that's more our style.